Hey, what's going on everyone? Daniel Betancourt here with eXp Realty. Right behind me, this is my newest listing. This one is in Apopka. It's a beautiful home. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. It's got a huge lot here. It's got a long driveway. You can probably fit 10 cars in this driveway. The home, it's got new AC. He's replaced the roof on this house. It's got a half bathroom in the garage that was built. It's got a gazebo in the backyard, a big shed. The floors have been redone. The kitchen countertops have been redone. The bathrooms have been remodeled. You're gonna love this house. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, under $300,000 in Apopka. These kinds of homes are really hard to find. 2-car garage. It's in great shape, so give me a shout if you'd like to schedule a visit. Text the word Bobcat to my phone number 407-375-9142. If you'd like to speak with me about this house, give me a shout. My number is 407-375-9142. As soon as I'm done talking, I'm going to share with you some video of the house. I hope you love it. I'll see you next time.